Welcome students. See question number 27. Today we will continue with question 27 of exercise 1. See the question. The difference of two numbers is 5689. Two numbers difference is given to you 5689. If the smaller of two is 1796, what is the larger number? If both of two numbers, smaller numbers is 1796, then what is the larger number, and which two numbers difference is 5689? So it is clear that in this situation you have to add 5689 and 1796. Okay, this problem is adding based problem. Okay, see 28 number. Simplify. As you can see, A to F questions are given to you, and in each questions you have to operate two operations. For example, in case A, first you have to add and then after you have to subtract. So you will add first this. What operation you have to do? Like C, example C. In this case, first operation you are asked to do is minus, subtract, and another operation is plus. Then in this question you will operate subtraction first, and then in that number you will add this. So like this you will solve question number 28. Now see question number 29. In question number, see, this is question number 29. In this question, fill in the blanks. In these questions, you are asking to do multiplication, and in this case, when you will multiply 10 and its multiples to any number, then simply you will put such zero, such the numbers having. Like see question number A. Question number A, 287 multiplied by 10. Then in this situation you will put simple 10. That's why 10 is multiplied. So this answer will be 2870. Likewise, you will see in D number question, 4 is multiplied by 1000. Then in this situation you will put 30 with 4. Answer will be 4000. Likewise, you will do these questions. Now come to the next question. See, this is question number 30. Find the following products. Products means you are asking to here multiply, and here multiplication will be done. So you will multiply it by as you are asking to do. You will solve yourself. Now come question number 31. Question number 31 says to you, a man saves ₹78 per month. How much will he save in 4 years? If he saves ₹78 per month, then how will he save in 4 years? In this question, you will first calculate the month in 4 years. 4 multiplied by 12, you will find total months in 4 years, and then you will multiply that month with ₹78. You will find the answer Now come question number 32. One bale of cotton cost rupees 789. How much will 1 dozen bale cost? If one bale cost is 789, then how much cost will be for 1 dozen bale? 1 dozen means 12, then this will be multiplied by 12. Okay? In this question you will multiply. Question number 33. All the 67 students of class 4 in a school plan to go on a picnic. Each contributes rupees 125. How much amount has been collected? So see students, in this question 33 number question, as you can see, in class 4 total students are 67 and total 67 students are planned to go on a picnic, for which each contributes rupees 125. Then how much amount has been collected? So how will you solve this question? In this question definitely you have to multiply 125 with 67. You will find the answer. Come to the next point. Next question. See students, question number 34. Work out the following division sums and find the quotient and remainder in each case. As you can see, in this question you have to perform division operation. There are 4 types of basic operations in mathematics, as you all know: add, subtract, multiply and division. So as you can see, in this question you have to make division operation, and you will divide as simple as the same way, simply, and you will find out what the quotient and what is the remainder. You can do as, because you all can have practiced this type of question in last year. Come 35 number question. 7 persons. First read, it is necessary to read question carefully. 7 persons together planned a picnic. If they collected rupees 4,158 in all, how much was contributed by each person? 7 persons planned to go for a picnic and they collected total 4,158 in all. Then how much will each contribute? For calculating each contribution, you have to do division operation. When you will divide 4,158 by 7, then you will find out each person's contribution. So you will do this question. Come question number 36. Question number 36 says you 6,190 candles are to be packed in boxes of 9 candles each. How many boxes will be required? How many candles will be left? So let's solve this question. See students, this is question number 36. 6,190 candles are to be packed in boxes of 9 candles each. How many boxes will be required? How many candles will be left? So let's solve this question. Answer. First see, total number of candles are, so to write here total number of candles 6190, and each box having 9 candles. So number of candles in each box are 9. So number of boxes you are required to find out, and remaining candles, it is also you are required. To solve these questions, you have to operate division operation. You will divide 6190 by 9. So divide 9 6 ja 54. Here will come 7, nothing, 79. 9 8 ja 72. Here is 7, 70, and 9 7 ja 63. Here will come 7. So as you can see, to total fill 9 candles of boxes, you are required to 6. You are able to fulfill 687 boxes, and you will left 7 boxes. Okay, you can fulfill 787 boxes of 9 candles each, and you will in your hand 7 candles. So your answer will be number of boxes will be 687, and number of candles left 9. This will your answer. So okay students, today we will solve till question number 36. In the next class we will commence with question number 37. Till then, keep your practice, continue. Thank you. Have a good day.